Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix hearing your own voice in your speaker or headset in Windows 10. If you're hearing an echo or your own voice while using your microphone, this guide will help you solve it quickly. First, move your mouse to the bottom right corner of your screen and right-click on the sound or speaker icon in the taskbar. This opens a menu with audio settings. From the menu that appears, click on Sounds. This will open a window where you can access different sound settings on your PC. In the sound window, switch to the Recording tab at the top. This tab shows all the recording devices connected to your computer. Find your microphone in the list, like Realtek Audio, then right-click on it and select Properties. This opens the settings specific to that microphone. In the Microphone Properties window, go to the tab labeled Listen. This is where you control whether your voice plays back through your own speakers or headset. Make sure the box next to Listen to this device is unchecked. If it's enabled, your voice will play back to you, which causes the issue. Once that's done, click Apply to save the change, then click OK to close the window. That should stop your voice from echoing in your headphones or speakers. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.